Hello, eighth graders. How are you guys? I hope you're enjoying a good day. And right now, let's talk a little bit about our last class about writing linear equation given a point and a slope. Guys, to write an equation using a point and a slope is pretty simple. Remember, we have our ordered pair, our point, okay? It is x and y. Remember, guys, always will be x and y. Great, x and y, and we have our slope. Remember the rate of change of the line, the graph, okay? Here's our slope. And we have all information over here, and we can use the formula. The formula is point slope formula. Is over here. As you remember our class, I taught you, and here is our formula. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Remember the y, this y over here, and this x is away from formula. The numbers, as you see, is highlighted. I can change it. And after I change the numbers, I just move and remember solve for y. Solve for y. Because we need our equation, we need to have the equation like a point slope formula. Okay? We need to solve it to have the correct slope intercept form after. Great. Let's go ahead. Well, I solved this in the class, guys. I think you remember those exercises over here. And I solved the odds exercise in classroom. Let me solve one even exercise over here. Let me solve this one, number 6. Number 6, guys, I have here my point is x1 and y1, and my slope, it is 4. Let's right now just write the equation over here. Y minus. My y1, guys, as you notice, is negative 9. Remember to, when you have a negative number, remember to use the parentheses, okay? Equals my slope, it is 4, times x. My x1, as you notice here, is 0 minus 0. Great. Pretty simple like that. Right now, just write again. Negative times negative, it is positive. Y plus 9 equals 4 times x, 4x. 4 times negative 0, oh, I have negative 0, or whatever. 4 times 0, 0. Okay, I don't need to write over here because I have the number ready. And right now, let's move, remember, solve for y. Move number 9 by his opposite, negative 9. Goodbye 9. And I have here y equals 4x minus 9. As you notice, it's the same key answer. We got it already. Great. Let's move a little bit. Let's go to the next exercise over here. Let me solve here number 10. Number 10. Use the other color, green. Guys, I have here my x1, my y1, and my slope. Great. How do I solve it? Pretty simple again. Y minus, remember use parentheses, negative 7 equals, my slope is 1. 1 times my x, okay, my x already, minus, remember parentheses, negative 4. Great. Right now, just rewrite the equation as a positive, like negative times negative is positive. Like here, y plus 7 equals 1x, negative times negative, positive, plus 4. Right now, let's distribute. Y plus 7 equals 1 times x, just x. 1x or just x? 1 times 4. 1 times 4, it is 4. Right now, let's move positive 7 by his opposite, negative 7. Goodbye 7. And I have here y equals x. 4 minus 7, it is negative 3. Here is our slope intercept form, the equation y equals x minus 3. Great. Let's go ahead a little bit. Let's go to the next one. Let me think about it. Let me take one little hard. Number 14. Number 14. Number 14 I think is okay. Here is my x1, my y1, and my slope. Great. Let's go ahead here. Use the formula. Y minus negative 8 equals my slope 5/6 x minus, remember parentheses because negative 6. Great. Right now, just rewrite as a positive and I will distribute after. Y plus 8 equals 5/6 times x, sorry, 5/6x. Positive, negative times negative is positive. 5/6 times 6, it is 5, okay? 5 times 6 is 30. 30 divided by 6 is 5. We keep 5 plus 5. Right now, move 8 by his opposite, negative 8. Negative 8. And you have it, y equals 5/6 x. Positive 5 minus 8 is negative 3. Minus 3. Great, just it guys, pretty simple. And that's it guys, here is our exercise, how to solve it. Remember, we are using the formula, 4-point slope formula. And remember, we want to solve the problem, have our slope intercept form. Great guys, that's it. It was a great pleasure to talk with you, and remember to study. Bye bye.